Meaning of horseback riding.
Horseback riding.
Horseback riding.
Horseback riding.
Horseback riding. Horseback riding refers to the sport or activity of riding a horse, typically for recreational or competitive purposes. It involves sitting on the back of a trained horse and using reins to control its movements. Horseback riding can be enjoyed by people of all ages and skill levels, and can be used as a means of exercise, relaxation, or simply spending time in nature. Additionally, horseback riding can improve balance, coordination, and overall physical fitness. It is a popular activity worldwide and has a rich history dating back thousands of years.